Bushy trees, we know them by titles, no action, okay? Executive, okay? Damaging director. That's not sales executive. Na vitendo hatua. Title mingi kwa business card. Hazibanani. And Jesus was saying there were 10 virgins. There were 10. Jesus did not have an issue with virginity. There were 10 who are supposed to serve to go and meet the bridegroom. Who is the bridegroom? Internal and external customer. Okay. The 10 virgins, 5 of them were foolish. They are virgins but foolish. PhD or masters or degree but foolish. When the bridegroom came, when the customers came, they realized you don't have oil. Attitude imefika hivi. Juniwe unauza na niyo ananunua. Okay? They realized you don't have oil. They only dealt with virgins who had oil. What is the purpose of oil in the kitchen? Were our grandmothers cooking before the oil came? So what's the purpose of oil? Adding flavor. Adding